Bali is one of the tourist destinations with natural and amazing natural scenery. One of the tourist destinations that you can visit while in Bali is the Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall, where this waterfall has a unique rock relief and has a natural curtain made of the waterfall itself. And located this waterfall is Wana village, Sukasada district, Buleleng Regency, Bali. And for entrance ticket, IDR 10,000 for local tourists and IDR 20,000 for foreign tourists. You can reach the location of Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall by driving 63 kilometers from Denpasar, where this distance takes about 2 hours. In addition, you can also start your journey from Bedugul or Beraten Lake, which is only 11 kilometers from Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall. Once you reach Wanagiri Peak, you can take the path towards Asa Goblin. Then you can find the road to Buasanasari and take a right turn, which is 3 kilometers away. After arriving at the parking area, you only need to walk a distance of about 500 meters to reach the location of the waterfall. On the way, the waterfall location, you will pass coffee plantations and tropical trees so that your journey will be fun and refreshing. Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall has water sources that come from springs located in the protected forest area of Wanagiri village, where groundwater source from this protected forest has natural freshness and is stored under trees. The naming of this tourist destination comes from the word Banyu, which means water, Wana which means forest, and Amertha which means blazing or grass. Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall provided 2 locations with 4 waterfalls that you can visit, namely Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall, Spray Waterfall, One Waterfall, and Twin Waterfall, where these 4 waterfall locations have close distance, so you can visit the 4 locations in person. Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall has a nature curtain formed from a waterfall, making this location an interesting photo spot. When you decided to visit Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall, make sure you have prepared a change of clothes so you can spend time playing in the water with satisfaction. In addition, make sure you wear comfortable and safe clothes. This is because you need to walk to reach the location of this waterfall. Well, if you want to visit this tourist destination during the rainy season, make sure you are careful on the way to the waterfall location, where the road you will pass becomes muddy and slippery. With a natural backdrop of natural scenery, Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall is one of the tourist destinations that you must visit when in Bali. So, are you interested in visiting it? If you're interested to visit this waterfall, I have tour package for you, and this package is just only IDR 250 per pax. And when you visit this tourist spot, you can also enjoy the freshness of the water and do various activities such as swimming or just taking picture in this waterfall area, or rock climbing. You can camping, trekking, and enjoy the panorama. And what you did get from our tour package, Tour package is available for transportation, ticket, lunch, and local guide. Transportation, we will be picked up from your hotel and take you back to your hotel. And for ticket, you get the entrance ticket, 10,000 for local tourists and 20 for foreign tourists. And you get the one box lunch. And for the trip to this waterfall, don't worry, because when we get there we will be guided by a local guide who will help us to get to this waterfall. So it is about our tour package waterfall trip. If you have question or you need more information, you can contact this number or you can visit our web. Thank you for your attention.